Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Homemaking is not just about keeping your home clean, organized and beautiful, but also about using resources mindfully, reducing wastage and repurposing to save. Managing a household budget can be challenging, but with these smart and practical homemaking tips for your home and kitchen, you can save money without sacrificing quality. I personally use these tips and can attest to their effectiveness. So let's get started. Many people like to add artificial plants to their homes as decorations, but the cost can be quite high. Big planters can range from Rs 1000 to 3000, making them a significant investment. Instead, I prefer to purchase real indoor plants for my home. Not only are they less expensive, but they also provide a natural and refreshing aesthetics to any room. In addition, indoor plants can help improve and purify the air quality in your home. If maintenance is a concern, there are several low-maintenance plants to choose from, such as the money plant, philodendron, ZZ plants, rubber plants, snake plants, and more. For more information on indoor plants, check out our dedicated video linked in the description box. This is an excellent money saving tip. In the past, I used to spend Rs 800 to 1000 on tablecloths, which often did not fit my large table, and the option for prints were limited. However, now I purchase single bed sheets and use them as a tablecloth, which come in a wide range of colors and patterns and cost almost half the price of a dining tablecloth. I found some great options on Myntra for around Rs 400, but they can also be found for even cheaper prices in local markets. These bedsheets not only save money but are also multi-purpose, as they can be used on a single bed as well as on the dining table and enhance the aesthetic appeal of the room. If you have highly energetic children like mine who enjoy running around and tend to fall often, you may notice that their pants tend to get torn frequently, especially around the knee area. Replacing these pants every month is not so pocket friendly, so a practical solution is to use cloth patches designed for this purpose, which can be easily obtained online. These patches can be either stitched or glued on the damaged area of the pants, effectively hiding the tear. Alternatively, you can use hem tape to stick these patches. This solution has been very useful for me, helping me effectively use the clothes. It's truly satisfying when your home is filled with a delightful scent. I used to purchase commercial home fragrance bottles, but their strong fragrance and chemical content left much to be desired, not to mention the high cost. However, for the past few years, I have switched to natural essential oils to create heavenly scents in my home. Not only do these oils possess medicinal properties, but they're also chemical free, making them an ideal choice. Just a few drops of oil can make your home smell lovely for hours. They also last for months and are very affordable, making them a great choice for saving money. In addition to essential oils, you can burn some cloves and camphor to create a refreshing aroma that promotes peace and positivity. These hacks can help you save a lot of money that would have otherwise been spent on commercial home perfumes. Old furnishing items such as curtains and bed sheets that are no longer used can be repurposed in many useful things. For example, I had an old curtain that we used in the utility area of a rented house. And now that we are back in our home, I've converted it into a laptop and printer cover. Additionally, I had some cloth table mats that had lost their shine, So now I use them in the kitchen to store vegetables and save money on buying paper napkins. This hack also helps store the veggies for longer in the fridge and reduces wastage. These small changes not only help reduce waste but can also be cost-effective and practical solutions for everyday use. When children are promoted to a new grade, their textbooks and worksheets from the previous year are often no longer useful, especially if they are specific to certain publishers and not commonly used in all schools. However, books designed for young children can be repurposed by cutting out and storing pictures of people, maps, animals, planets, and other useful visuals. These pictures can then be used for various school projects, charts, greeting cards, and gift cards. Reusing these materials not only saves time and money by eliminating the need to purchase new materials, but it also reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Many households have old containers, crockery, and baskets that are no longer in use, and these items can be repurposed to help organize different areas of the house. Rather than buying new organizers or boxes, try utilizing these old and unused items first. For example, I had an old masala dani that I no longer used, but I started using it to keep cooking items together, such as chilies, curry leaves, ginger garlic, and coriander. This simple change helped keep my essentials organized and in one place, which saved space in the fridge and time gathering all the ingredients. If you have some nice looking ceramic containers lying around and not being used, you can repurpose them to store random kitchen items such as extra hooks, cooker whistles, birthday candles, snack clips, and more. This will not only help you organize your kitchen items but also add a touch of beauty to your kitchen. Repurposing old items like this not only saves you money on buying new organizers, but also reduces waste and promotes sustainability in your household. So that's it for our video on smart ways to save. We hope you found these tips useful and easy to implement. Remember, saving money in the kitchen and homes is not just about cutting corners, but also about being creative, resourceful, and mindful. By using what you already have, making small changes, and planning ahead, you can save a lot over time. Thank you for watching. See you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.